Before you give your next IM injection, stop. One small mistake can cause nerve damage, severe pain, or even tissue necrosis. Are you 100% confident about your site selection, your needle angle, your push speed today? I'm going to show you exactly how to perform an intramuscular injection safely, confidently, and like a professional nurse. If you're a nursing student preparing for clinicals or exams, this video is for you. Assalamu alaikum, future nurses. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll cover what is an IM injection indication, step-by-step procedure, important safety tips, common mistakes to avoid. Let's begin. What is IM injection? 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock and stands for intramuscular injection. It is a method of delivering medication deep into the muscle tissue. Muscles have a rich blood supply, which allows faster absorption compared to subcutaneous injections. Common medications given IM: antibiotics, vaccines, analgesics, hormonal injections. Common IM sites: 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock. There are 4 main sites. Deltoid muscle, used for small volume injections like vaccines, 0.5 to 1 milliliter. Vastus, Lateralis, preferred for infants and children. Ventrogluteal, safest site for adults. Dorsogluteal, less preferred due to risk of sciatic nerve injury. Tip for exams: ventrogluteal is considered the safest IM site. Equipment required: 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock. You will need prescribed medication, sterile syringe, usually 3 to 5 milliliters, needle 20 to 25 gauge, 1 to 1.5 inch depending on patient size, alcohol swab, cotton, gauze, gloves, sharps, container. Always follow the 6 rights of medication administration: right patient, right drug, right dose, right route, right time, right documentation. Step-by-step procedure. -5. 0 to 10 o'clock. Step 1. Hand hygiene, wash hands properly. Step 2. Verify patient, confirm identity using 2 identifiers. Step 3. Explain procedure, reduce anxiety, and gain consent. Step 4. Position patient, relax the muscle. Step 5. Locate site correctly, use anatomical landmarks carefully. Step 6. Clean the site, use alcohol swab in circular motion and allow to dry. Step 7. Stretch the skin or use Z-track technique if required. Step 8. Insert needle at 90-degree angle, quick, dart-like motion. Step 9. Aspirate if required by protocol, check for blood return. Step 10. Push medication slowly, about 1 milliliter per 10 seconds. Step 11. Withdraw needle smoothly, apply gentle pressure. Do not massage if contraindicated. Step 12. Dispose needle safely immediately in sharps container. Step 13. Document, record drug, dose, site, time, and patient response. Important safety tips: 10 o'clock to 12 o'clock. Never inject into inflamed or infected area. Rotate injection sites. Never recap needles. Always assess allergies before administration. Remember, patient safety is your first priority. Common mistakes: 12 o'clock to 13 o'clock. Wrong site selection, wrong needle length, injecting too fast, not relaxing muscle, poor landmarking. Avoid these and you'll perform like a professional nurse. Confidence boost: 13 o'clock to 14 o'clock. Confidence comes from knowledge plus practice. The first injection feels scary. The 10th feels easier. The 100th feels natural. You are training to save lives. Act like it. Outro: 14 o'clock to 15 o'clock. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe. Comment below. Are you preparing for clinicals or exams? Stay confident. Stay skilled. See you in the next nursing skills tutorial.